Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today is another video in my Dungeons and Dragons Feast recipes. Today we're going to focus on how I made the honey glazed carrots and they were my favorite. Let's go.
Recipe is also really easy, just like my other side dishes. So we start out by peeling carrots and then taking off the tops and bottoms just because they can get a little bit woody. And then we're going to cut each large carrot in half and then cut those sections in half again. It just makes it roast a little bit faster and just kind of makes them more bite-sized pieces. Then for the sauce, I melted a stick of butter in the microwave for about 60 seconds. I added about a teaspoon of freshly chopped thyme, a nice pinch of salt, and then about 2 tablespoons of garlic and 4 tablespoons of honey. And if your honey is kind of crystallized like mine, throw it in the microwave for like 30 seconds and it will kind of go back to liquid. And then I just mixed that up with my whisk until everything was nice and combined. And then I lined a cooking sheet with some aluminum foil to make cleanup easier. And then I grabbed the carrots out of the fridge because I actually had my mom prep these or cut these the day before, so they were just really easy to throw into the tray and get them cooking off. So you can do as much as you want ahead of time. I did the cabbage the day before. As you see here, it's in a bag. So prep ahead, it makes life easier on the day. So I spread these out onto my tray, and then I just poured over our butter garlic honey sauce. And there's a lot of butter here, so they didn't really like char and roast. They kind of more boiled in the butter, but oh my goodness, were they delicious. So then I just stuck them into a 450-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Since there was so much butter, they're not really going to char or, get too roasted. They kind of almost boiled in the butter, like I said, but they turned out so good. So here I'm just trying to make them look nice and pretty on my tray. So I'm just kind of lining them up, making them look nice. And then I poured the delicious honey butter garlic glaze over the top. Some of it kind of got onto the potatoes and it made them even more delicious. And then as a final touch, I just ripped up some fresh parsley leaves to garnish on top. This was seriously my favorite side dish, well, 3 side dishes that I have made. So they're definitely going to be part of my regular dinners from now on because they're super easy and tasty, and we need to eat more veggies. So this is how they turned out. I think they look beautiful on the table. Watch for the new videos coming out to show you the rest of what's on here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.